To simplify the solution, you break it into groups and then solve one piece at a time from that group. Each group has a move or two that you use to solve it. The center pieces you can't move. You'll have to match the other pieces to these. Step 1, the first group is the top sides. To solve these, you need to put these 4 pieces so that the color matches both of the adjacent centers. You make a white across shape. Step 2 is the top corners. To solve these, you'll pull up one corner at a time so that the 3 sides match their centers. Step 3 is the middle sides. This is only 4 pieces. Step 4 is the bottom corners. There's 2 parts to this, getting them in position and then rotating them so that the colors match. Step 5 is the bottom edges, and you'll have 2 different sequences that you can use to swap these pieces around. Let's begin. The first step is pretty easy. As you can see, there's a white and yellow, and you just do a couple moves and it's in place. These are pretty common sense, and it's pretty easy to do because you don't have to worry about messing anything else up. Here's the orange and white. You're going to move it over. You're going to turn the top so that when you move it up, it's in place. Then you just twist it back. Notice that the white and orange piece match. The next one here, we need to bring it all the way around opposite the orange. It's the red. All the top pieces only need a couple moves to get them in place. And then here's the trick for getting that one up there. Now you've got the first section solved, and it's time to go for the corners. You want to put the corner underneath where it's supposed to go. It's supposed to go up on the top. You put it on the bottom there with the white on the side. You bring that down, and notice how it goes nicely into place. Notice that the colors are matched too. Now in this case, there were all the white ones were up on the top, but they were in the wrong places. So you just bring them down, put another piece in the right place, so that now you've got it free. Again, you put it below where it belongs, and it's easy to just bring it right up there. And sometimes you'll get one that's on the bottom that's upside down. So what you do is you do this little trick that brings the white part up so that it's on the side instead of on the bottom. Now your piece is where you want it, and so now you can do our famous move and get it up into place. Now notice we've got the top and the sides are all matched too. The next step is the middle layer, and you want to put the piece on the bottom where it matches. Turn it away, and then start your move. Notice that the 2 pieces are together now. Now all you need to do is bring them back up to the top. And there it is. You do this with all 4 of the sides, the middle edges. It goes on the yellow, so you're going to turn it away. Now your two pieces are together, so just bring them back up to the top again. You do this for all four pieces. If you happen to get a piece that's in the right place but the wrong orientation, just take another piece off the bottom that's not supposed to go there and put it up there as if it's the real piece, and that'll displace the other one so that then it's out of its way. Then you can put it back in the right way. And one more of those edge pieces to go. Now you've got the top two layers done. It's starting to look pretty, isn't it?